Wasn't there a
And,
point where they said they were coming though?
But they're
Yeah,
not
they
sending the
wanted to,
president.
they wanted to come to for the handover.
Yeah.
Where we'll hand over to them the ceremonial handover, the gravel and the other practicalities like the G20 domain website and so forth. Yes, they wanted to come, but we said because they were bringing what is called a charger. Maybe in simple language, it was a junior official.
Got you.
So, and we said, no, but this is a head of state level. If you can't bring the head of state, at least the deputy president or a minister or someone of their stature. So, because you are not bringing someone of that stature, we will then arrange that all these things will be done in the DERCO office, and which we have done. We have handed over to them at the office on Monday after the G20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then